Hi everyone. This video is about winter internship experience at Google. And today we have our former winter intern who is now a full-time SWE. Welcome, Harsh. Please
So,
introduce yourself.
hi Raghav, thanks for the warm welcome. And I am Harsh Tiwari. I am currently working as a SWE at Google. I did my Bachelor of Engineering from Ramaiah Institute of Technology, Bangalore, and I did a internship at Samsung and my second year, and then I interned at Google last winter. That was around February to mid July. Yeah. Then I got the pre-placement offer, and now I'm working the full time here.
Okay, that's great. Uh, so yeah, let's get right into it. How did you get this internship? Was it a on campus or off campus?
Yeah, so it was an off-campus offer. So I had been preparing for like since my second year, and I kept applying at Google, and I applied for this internship at like sometime around mid-July in 2023, and then उसके 2 months के बाद recruiter का mail आया that you like we have shortlisted your profile and we would want to schedule a telephonic round.
तो तुमने बोला कि तुमने अप्लाई करते रहे तुम बैक टू बैक, तो इज इट लाइक कि तुम करियर्स पेज पे जाके इंटर्नशिप वाली पोजीशन पे अप्लाई करते रहे, या फिर यू ट्राई टू गेट अ रेफरल मल्टीपल टाइम्स? कैसे, मतलब कैन यू पुट मोर लाइट ऑन अप्लाइंग अगेन एंड अगेन वाले पार्ट पे?
Yeah, so I tried for referrals through LinkedIn, but mostly it was like I wasn't able to get a referral, but I
हम्म.
kept applying through the careers page itself for any internship, step interns or 2 months internship or उसके बाद जो भी full time roles आते थे, I kept applying for them.
ओके,
Yeah,
सो बेसिकली कोल्ड अप्लाई करा है तुमने एंड इट
yeah,
वर्कड आउट फॉर यू.
yeah.
नाइस. एंड when did you get the call for this internship? Around what time, if you remember?
Yeah, so I got the call for the first telephonic round around mid of September, and
Mm-hmm.
then the whole process completed around starting first week of December.
Hmm. And let's get straight into the whole process. Maybe break it bit by bit. What was the process? Start from recruiter reaching out to you, then giving you time to prepare, to actual process, and then to final offer.
Yeah. So initially, I got the mail from the recruiter, as I mentioned, and they asked me for like my availability for a quick telephonic round, and so I got scheduled 2 days after that mail, and it was a 15-minute call
Mm-hmm.
uh, that happened over GVC, and they asked some basic questions about my resume, my projects that I had done, my last internship, and it was like they asked one easy level DSA question as well.
कब पूछा है इजी लेवल डीएस से क्वेश्चन? पहले राउंड में या फिर राउंड से पहले ही पूछ लिया स्क्रीनिंग में? व्हेन वाज इट?
नहीं, वो स्क्रीनिंग में ही पूछा था.
अच्छा,
सो वो
स्क्रीनिंग में ही
टेलीफोन,
पूछा था.
हाँ, वो 15-minute टेलीफोनिक राउंड जो था that consists
ओके.
like quick intro of myself, my resume, and then I guess वो recruiter ही था.
सही है, सही है. व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट? Did you buy some time from them to
Yeah,
prepare?
so it took around a week after the telephonic round to
Mm-hmm.
get the results of that telephonic screening. Then उन्होंने फिर एक DSA round schedule करा. They asked me for the availability again, and I asked for somewhere around a week or so.
Mm.
Then first DSA round हुआ. It was a 45-minute round, and the questions were mostly based on graph and trees and yeah, an extension of DP on graphs.
ओके,
So
टोटल कितने राउंड हुए?
टोटल एक टेलीफोनिक राउंड और 2 DSA राउंड्स.
तो मतलब ये 15 मिनट वाला राउंड इज द टेलीफोनिक, और दो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कोडिंग राउंड हुए प्रॉपर?
यस.
ओके. एंड फर्स्ट वाज दिस वेयर यू सेड कि ग्राफ पूछा गया?
हाँ, लाइक इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम ट्रीज, फिर उसका
हम्म.
जो फॉलो अप था इट वाज मोर ऑफ उस क्वेश्चन को एक्सटेंड करके they took it to DP on graphs.
Nice.
A month after the first round, I got the reply from the recruiter that you have cleared your first round,
Mm-hmm.
and when do you want us to schedule the second round?
Mm-hmm.
They this time they asked for some date in in the next week. So
Mm-hmm.
मतलब कुछ 3-4 days का time मिला उसमें.
Okay.
And then second round हुआ. Second round में it was mostly around DP and then monotonic stacks and दो चार concepts ऐसे involved थे उसके अंदर. So yeah, and after the second round, फिर directly 1 month. Like it took them 1 month. फिर they asked for some transcripts and all, and then after that the offer was processed.
Nice. And जब ऑफर मिला उससे पहले कोई गूगलीनेस राउंड भी हुआ था क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं, सो इंटर्नशिप में नहीं होता. ओके.
Yes.
और टीम मैचिंग से रिलेटेड भी कुछ हुआ था क्या?
नहीं, I think team matching is for FTs. Internship में
Okay.
नहीं होता.
Got it. Let's dive a bit deep into your preparation and probably what would you suggest the people who want to have the same internship की क्या की preparation होनी चाहिए?
So I started preparing somewhere around start of my second year, and like I was coding and giving contests on Code Chef, Code Forces, and then बाद में lead code भी start करा. So for me, it was more of I started with Code Chef, went to Code Forces after a while. Then after attaining a rating there, I started I switched to lead code. Along with that, I was also participating in hackathons. There were online hackathons, offline hackathons, and yeah. So mostly, I wouldn't prefer ask people to follow the same path for DSA. It would be like if I was to suggest something, it would be कि पहले lead code से start करो and then switch to code forces once you have the hold of the data structures. For me, it was like I was giving contests and then figuring out what concept I didn't I was not able to apply, and then उसको सीख के फिर next contest में improvement करना and वैसे ही. So it was a longer journey for me, but it could be short for the other people.
Agreed,
And
agreed. I
उसके
think
अलावा
go ahead, yeah, go ahead.
so उसके अलावा I did an internship, like it was an on-campus internship at Samsung, and I do think that played a part in the resume getting shortlisted for Google.
Nice. Yeah, I think that would have mattered a lot as well.
So for anyone new who's trying to get a hang of the process and start learning, I would suggest doing lead code, getting a hang of those data structures, and then shifting to competitive programming like Code Forces and all.
Yeah, I think if you get an internship, you will only do competitive coding if you like it for fun. For the sake of internship, I think lead code is good enough.
Yeah.
You also added a point that your resume, which had Samsung internship, also played a key role. So if someone doesn't have a, you can say, this kind of brand in their resume, do you know like how can they land such a internship by some projects?
So I don't think brand उसमें इतना matter करता है. The thing that matters according to me is कि आपको पहले से कुछ industry exposure है कि नहीं, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत experience है कि नहीं. So if someone is starting afresh, I think Internshala पे या there are many platforms like that, and LinkedIn पे भी posts आते रहते हैं. So people can keep applying for them. उसमें in those applications as well. कुछ key requirements होती हैं. So if you have projects around those, so that I think gives you an edge over the others.
You explained you did a lot of hackathons, lot of platforms where you practiced coding. One thing which I've heard lately is this term called vibe coding. Do you know about it?
Yeah, so I think vibe coding is a nice concept where
What is that?
so it's mostly that you take help from LLMs. You have an idea, you have a framework, you have a design ready, and then you give the prompts to the LLM. It helps you write the code, create the application, and yeah, so you don't need to know much about the technical stuff, but if you have an idea, if you have a detailed design, you can get it created using LLMs. Like if you have the core knowledge, you would be able to use them better. But if you totally rely on them, I don't think that's a good option.
गॉट इट मिस्टर हर्ष। अभी तक तो देखो इंडस्ट्री के इंटरव्यू स्टैंडर्ड्स बदले हैं नहीं, तो अभी तो यही है, बदल जाएंगे आगे, क्या होगा दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग ऑल टुगेदर। So we have done your intro, we have done about your preparation and internship, interview experience, everything. सैलरी की बात कर सकते हैं क्या?
I think range की बात कर सकते हैं. The whole stipend for all the 6 months was somewhere around 12 to 14 lakhs, but I think इस साल वो बढ़ गया है. And
Wow,
then
quite
there are
handsome.
other perks for working at Google, like the free food, the cab service, and stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's a quite lucrative internship.
Yes, I'm sure तुम्हें हमारी टीम में मजा आया होगा।
Yeah. So मजा तो काफी आया. Like there were people like you who made us feel at home, and then like we had an opportunity to work on actual industry projects, contribute to actual production code base. We learned a lot of things, and then the other TTA and foosball sessions, and then the team outings. I think it was a memorable experience overall.
Awesome. Well, that was it from our side today. I probably think winter internship applications are still open. So if you are interested, check it out. And drop your comments for any more questions or any more interview experiences you would like to see. Thank you. Bye.
And all the best to all the applicants for this year.